Alright guys, I have an Audi A4 here, 2002 1.8 Audi A4 Quattro, and I've been getting misfires on this car, just a little bit rough idle, and because of that, it's because of these what do you call these, the spark plugs. They go out too fast. If you can see that a little bit up close, see, they burn out really fast. So I got those. I think it wasn't Amazon. It was Canadian Tire, and these are the ones you really need. See these ones? They have the metal on top. That's what a coil should look like. This is brand new. I got this from Amazon. So I'm gonna put these in and show you guys what I'm doing after.